opening of our PBB Saifabad branch. This branch was earlier, the business handled by this branch was earlier part of our larger Saifabad branch, which was basically a SME intensive branch. The priority of that branch was looking at large value SME customers. Now we felt that we were losing a bit of focus on the retail end of the customers, who are basically the customers who provide us the resources to deploy in our SME branch. We felt that the amenities were not good enough to attract high value, high net worth individuals for their retail business. So we decided to split the branch, because the surrounding area has also got a fair number of retail customers who need, whose requirements are special, distinct from the requirements of the SME customers. So this is a good, we hope this is a good beginning for the branch, and will give a great fillip to accelerated growth of the retail segment of the branch. This branch will provide a whole suite of products for the retail customers. Now things like the ATM, the internet banking, mobile banking are passe now. Now that's available across the board. This branch will also specialize in selling other investment products. Basically, though banking penetration is only 40% in the country, the penetration of other investment products like insurance, mutual funds, etc., are still in single figures, which also needs popularization and education of the customers to take up these products. This branch will look at our subsidiaries, mainly SBI Life for selling their insurance product, SBI General especially for their health cover and accident insurance cover, where very, very attractive products are available from the bank. We'll also be offering the SBI Cap Securities, who offer a 3-in-1 account for trading, demat and a savings bank account. So by these means we expect that banking penetration in our own little way, we'll be able to expand the penetration of banking and other financial services products. Briefly touching upon our business, the bank's business during the last year in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we had a fairly mixed year in terms of, we had fairly good growth in the liability products, but then the growth in credit was fairly muted for obvious reasons. But during the current year, we expect to touch our maybe growth rates of 15 to 16% in both credit and deposits. We also expect to open between 90 and 100 branches across the combined state now of Andhra Pradesh, which of course will eventually be bifurcated into Telangana and Simandhra. We would be serving both the people of Telangana as well as the people of Simandhra with our products. New branches will be opened in Simandhra as well as in Telangana.